Good morning, student. I am your math teacher, Shailendra Kumar Asthana. Today I will teach you chapter first, relation and function of class 12. You already know about relation and function in class 11th. So, relation. What is relation? Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Then a relation from A to B is subset of A cross B. Or you can say relation is the subset of Cartesian product of two sets. Thus, R is a relation from A to B implies R is subset of A cross B. If AB is element of R, then we say that A is related to B and we write A or B. If AB is not element of R, then A is not related to B and we write A or not B. Now, domain, range and codomain of a relation. Let R be a relation Let R be a relation from A to B, then R is subset of A cross B. The set of all first coordinates of elements of R is called the domain of R, written as domain R. Second, the set of all second coordinates of element of R is called the range of R, denoted by range R. Third, the set B is called the codomain of R. Now the term Cartesian product let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to set 4 and 5. Then A cross B is equal to set A1, 2, 3 cross 4 and 5. 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. Each element of first set is related to the each element of second set. So, each order these elements are called ordered pair. Now, if we take 3 as a x and 4 as a y, then x, y is element of R. This implies x is element of A and y is element of B. Now relation may be from A to B or B to A or A to A or B to B. Now we take a relation from A to B. Let's set A is 1, 2, 3 and set B is 4 and 5. And the element of A is related to B by the relation first R is equal to xy such that x plus y is equal to 7. So r is equal to 3 comma 4, because 3 is related to 4 and 3 is related to 3. The sum of these two element is 4. The sum of these two element is 7. So r is the subset of A cross B, because 3 4 element is present in R here. A cross B. A cross B. Now second, let a relation R is equal to xy such that x plus y is equal to 6. So 1 is related to 5 and 2 is related to 4. So 1 5 and 2 4. It is already is the subset of A cross B here, 1 5 and 2 4. The sum of 4 2 is also the sum of 4 2 is also 6, but 4 2 is not element of this A cross B. A cross B. So for the relation, each set, each subset of the Cartesian product of A cross B. Now number of relation. For finding the number of relation, suppose A is equal to 1 2 3, B is equal to 4 5, then A cross B is equal to 1 2 3 cross 4 5, 1 4 1 5 2 4 2 5 3 4 3 5. Let set A have a P element and set B have Q element. Then total ordered pair is equal to P into Q, because here in set A have 3 element and set B have 2 element. So total number of ordered pair in A cross B is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is the multiplication of 3 and 2. So here total number of ordered pair is P into Q, because here is total number of P element and here is total number of Q element. So total number of ordered pair is equal to P into Q. So the number of relation is equal to 2 power PQ, because you know that every subset of A cross B is the relation. So if you make the subset of these sets, then you get 2 power PQ. 2 power P. Now again, if we take the same sets A and A, relation from A to A, then A have a P element and also A have P element. Then total ordered pair is equal to P into P, means P square. So number of relation is equal to 2 power P square. It is very important. Now if we take the example, let A is equal to 1 2 3, then A cross A is equal to 1 2 3 cross 1 2 3, and for finding the Cartesian product, 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3, Here total number of order pair is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total number of relation is equal to 2 power 9. Let a relation R is equal to xy such that xy is a relation. Then R is equal to, here x and yx equal to y, it means both the ordered pair are equal. So you search in A cross A which have both the ordered pair is same. So you get 1 1, 2 2 and 3 3. Then R is equal to 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, and it is subset of A cross A. So a relation is subset of A cross A. In next video, part 2, I will teach you how many types of relation and their property. So stay home and stay safe. Thank you.